So this is our VersaFlex AP10 pallet handling system. This pallet handling system is a very modular, very versatile pallet handling system that allows for repeatability of plus or minus zero point 0.1 in our locating unit right there, as well as different stops and different configurations for turns and very modular construction. So these pallets come in a 300 by 300 size, as well as a 250 by 225 millimeter size. And these can handle loads up to 60 pounds, as well as a variety of different applications for fixturing and stuff like that. This is our VersaFlex offering, a variety of different chain widths for more modular construction, which allows for some versatile builds and, again, repeatable accuracy in these machine environments and applications just like that. So right here we have our AR6 platform, which is 65 millimeter, our A08, which is 85 millimeter, our A10, which is 105 millimeters, and then our A17 and A29, which are a little larger.